LED lights are the perfect choice for location video and photographic applications. LED lights offer the advantages of lightweight, low power, low heat, convenient battery operation, and a shockproof design. Prompter People offers a full line of LED lights that starts with a low-cost mic light. The mic light quickly slips onto your camera's shotgun mic. Incorporating 48 ultra-bright LEDs, its input is equivalent to 50 watts of incandescent light. Weighing just 5 ounces, it operates for over 2 hours on 3 AA batteries. The mic light is the perfect fill light for interviews or any low-light situation. The new Microbeam is the brightest LED camera light in its class. Featuring 128 ultra-bright LEDs, it has the output equivalent to a 100-watt incandescent camera light. The Microbeam is built to last with a solid aluminum chassis and mounting hardware. It operates for up to 6 hours on standard lithium-ion camcorder batteries, with your choice of mount from Sony, Panasonic, Canon, or JVC. The Microbeam also accepts any external 7 to 18 volt DC input. The Microbeam offers full dimming and an integrated filter slot that accommodates any of the included 5 filters, or you can substitute any filter you choose. The LED 500 incorporates 500 ultra-bright LEDs to offer the power of a 500-watt traditional softbox in a compact, shockproof, all-metal design that draws just 50 watts. 4 banks or groups of LEDs can be turned on or off to select light output. The LED 500 also offers full dimming of individual banks or any combination of banks. The LED 500 offers the flexibility of AC operation with its included AC adapter or any 10 to 18 volt DC input via its professional 4-pin XLR connector. The LED 500 includes 4-way